Hey guys, Ron here with Rising Sun Properties. We have two condos on this video. The second one is a leasehold. This one is a purchase, 3.98 million. That's 25,000 USD on the 8th floor. This does have an elevator, 2 LDK, 36 square meters, built in 1975, and about a 5-minute walk from the nearest station here in Chikuza Ward. This was several weeks ago, and it was a cold, snowy day. This property I have verified is still on the market. Had this interesting key to get into the property. And again, like the last video I purchased, for the price, I don't think there's too much to complain about. The second property you'll see after a leasehold, it's in a bit better condition, but not a true buy. So that's something to consider. People still do leases. You see a little bit of water damage up on the ceiling. This is on the top floor, so that might be from the roof. Here's the kitchen. It is gas. This doesn't look too bad, to be honest. Still in good condition. Everything looks like it's working and clean and has been updated at some point in recent history. The water in this apartment was on. Pretty small and quaint, but if you're looking for a home away from home and a small base here in Japan, specifically in Nagoya, this might be a good property to consider. Looks like a little bit of water spot there. Shower looks like it has been renovated at some point and is pretty clean. There's no refill or reheat option. Small toilet, but big enough to serve its purpose. The baby pink toilet there. There's two rooms, one here. Closets off to the left. I'm not sure where you would put the air cons. Floor was a little bit soft right there. You know, you definitely want to install air cons, and I think you would have to drill. So if you're interested in this property, we'd have to check with the management company about that, because I'm not seeing any holes. Also, there's no place for the washing machine, although I think there was a place out on the balcony. Some of those old apartments do have balcony washing machine areas, which is kind of weird, but common in these older ones. You can see the connection right there, the water off to the right on the wall. Very modest balcony, but decent view. Here is the second room. Tatami looks okay. It is dated, but can probably be used the way it is for the time being. Would need some touch up, you know, some new paint on the walls. New tatami would make this place look and feel a lot better. There's a mount maybe for the aircon. The walls were solid. Again, I'm not exactly sure how one would put an aircon in there. We would have to check with the management company. Did have these air vents around the condo. You can see kind of the age from this breaker box, a little bit older. And here's a view from outside of the property. And saw some neighbors coming in. They were friendly, saying hello. Little river running through. Here's the elevator. Doesn't look or feel old, and it looks like it has been upgraded. So that's a really good sign. And bicycle parking if you're wanting to park your bicycle. On to the next property. Here it is. This is a leasehold ending in 2042, 3.98 million yen, 25,000 USD. It's on the third floor. No elevator in this one. Built 1982, 2 LDK, 65 square meters. It's in Meito Ward, about a 7-minute walk from the station. See, this does look and feel a little bit newer. It's been maintained. The electricity was not on in this property, so the first shots at the front of the condo are a bit dark. I had to use a flashlight. There's the one toilet, some extra closet storage space here. And it's a leasehold 2042. It does end. Chances are you can renew it, like 95+% chance you'll be able to renew the lease. And of course, you would have first dibs. There's a place for the wash machine, water's on. Leasehold might be a turnoff for some people, rightfully so. But these kind of properties do sell. Again, you know, real estate in Japan isn't like other places like America where it's going to appreciate in value over the years. So sometimes people do not mind paying leaseholds. It's more common in the cities like Tokyo. And this whole area has been remodeled. It's got this system kitchen, high door frame coming in, this big living dining area, the 3 burners, somewhat larger sink, and this gas hookup here that people use for, you know, kind of a standalone skillet. My buddy's got one in his house. And there are some gas hookups on the walls in various places that you can use to hook up a gas heater, which is very nice in the winter. See, this is all looking newer and functioning properly. Does have a dishwasher. Everything was in the bag off to the right. You see there, that's the parts for the dishwasher, so it is there. And it looks new and clean. That cannot be opened. Here's a pull-down shelf. So, you know, for the price, it's a pretty decent home, of course. Taking into consideration it is a leasehold. That aircon was built in 2018. I assume that it would stay with the condo. Here's one of those gas outlets I was talking about, and you can see it's showing its age on there. That cover has not been updated. Does have a balcony, the decent view. And in a quiet neighborhood. I've lived in Nagoya for almost 13 years. This summer will be 13 years. Absolutely love it here. Did consider moving to Osaka, but getting to the age where I don't need so much craziness in my life and have a lot of friends in Osaka, and I go hang out there with them when I want to. So if you live in Nagoya, you can get to Osaka and Tokyo quite easily with the Shinkansen. And overall, a really great city to consider living in, especially if you have a family and want a slower pace of life, yet with all the amenities that a city will give you. Here's a Western style room. This closet at the end of it. A little bit darker because I didn't have those doors open, but you have these sliding doors that open up to this other room that also connects to a door to the right out to the living room. Another Western style room with wood floors. See the gas outlet down at the left. This older aircon unit that would probably need to be upgraded. So there are 2 condos here in Nagoya. If you're interested in either of these properties or others in Japan, please reach out. We are a licensed real estate agent, and we help from search to close, all in English. Thank you guys so much for watching, and for our clients who've signed up with us and trust us doing business with you. Thank you very much and have a great day.